Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to send money from the USA to Europe in 2025, you're in the right place. With fluctuating exchange rates and new regulations, it's more important than ever to choose the smartest option. Today, I'll break down the best ways to do this, so you can save time, money, and hassle. First off, let's talk about the traditional methods. Banks and wire transfers have been around forever, but in 2025, they're often outdated. They come with high fees, sometimes up to 10% of the amount, and can take 3 to 5 business days to process. Plus, the exchange rates aren't always in your favor. Then there's services like Western Union or MoneyGram, which are faster but still charge hefty fees and might not offer the best security. Now, for the real winner in 2025. Apps like Wise, formerly TransferWise. This service uses the mid-market exchange rate, which means you're not losing out on hidden fees. Transfers can happen in minutes, and it's super secure with bank-level encryption. Why is it the best? Well, according to recent data, Wise saves users an average of 90% on fees compared to banks. It's perfect for sending money to family, paying for international services, or even handling business transactions across the Atlantic. Of course, always check for any country-specific rules in Europe, like SEPA regulations, which make transfers within the EU even smoother. And don't forget to verify the recipient's details to avoid any mix-ups. In conclusion, if you're sending money from the USA to Europe in 2025, go with Wise for its speed, low costs, and reliability. It could be a game changer for your finances. If you have any questions or your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.